Hi everyone, it's Georgina from Designer Plants, and today in this short video I'm going to show you how you can create a truly unique green wall by adding colourful stems. The first step is to browse our stem range at designerplants.com.au. Choose your favourite stems like I've done here, and then it's super easy. You just add them into your panel and cable tie them in. So if you're ready to take the next step in your green wall journey, come on down to our showroom in Moorabbin, Victoria, or buy online at our website, designerplants.com.au, and you can create your own unique green wall.